Hello students, today we are going to discuss the topic similarity, first topic of our syllabus. Okay, similarity is related to triangle. When we can say that two triangles are similar to each other, here we can say that two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are congruent and corresponding sides are in proportion. And in proportion means the ratios are equal. Okay, there is a difference between congruence of triangles and similarity of triangle. Okay, here what we get here, similarity of a triangle, when we can say that the two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are congruent and corresponding sides are in proportion. Okay, next point is ratio of areas of two triangles. We know that when the base and height of a triangle is given, then how we can calculate the area of triangle? Area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. Now we are taking the ratio of areas of these two triangles. Okay, for example, here we take triangle ABC in which segment AD is height and segment BC is base. In triangle PQR, segment PS is height and segment QR is base. Okay, if we take here the ratio area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, which is equals to, according to our this formula, area of triangle ABC is equals to half into base, which is the base here BC, and height AD. Similarly, in triangle PQR, QR is the base and PS is the height, therefore half into QR into PS. Half get cancelled, therefore what we get here, BC into AD upon QR into PS. Equation number first. Okay, condition first we are taking here, if the heights are equal. Okay, which are the heights here? Segment AD and segment PS are the heights. That is, if we take the condition, heights of both the triangles are equal. That is, which heights? AD is equals to PS. Here we have written here AD is equals to PS. Then equation 1 becomes, okay, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to BC into AD as it is upon QR into, we replace AD by PS. Okay, AD get cancelled, which is equals to BC upon QR. If we observe the figure, BC and QR are the bases of triangle. Okay, and we have taken the condition here, the heights are equal. Means from this equation what we get here, if the heights of both the triangles are equal, then their ratio of area is equals to ratio of their bases. That is, the ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. If heights are equal, एरियाचा रेशो काय येतो, बेसेसला इक्वल येतो. Second condition we see here, if the bases are equal. In this same triangle, which are the bases? Segment BC and segment QR. The bases are equal means BC is equals to QR. Then equation 1 becomes, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to BC into AD upon BC. Here we replace QR by BC into PS. BC get cancelled, which is equals to AD upon PS. If we observe the figure, AD and PS are the heights of triangle ABC and triangle PQR respectively. and we have taken the condition here if the bases are equal. What we get here from this equation, if the ratio, we take the ratio of areas with equal bases, then the ratio is equals to ratio of their height. Okay. See here, the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. We have seen here two conditions. If we take the ratio of areas and if the triangles have equal height, then the ratio is equals to its base, and if the bases are equal, then the ratio is equals to its height. For example, if we observe the first example here, in figure BC is perpendicular to AB and AD is perpendicular to AB. BC is equals to 4, AD is equals to 8. Then find the ratio area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB. Okay. Observe solution. In figure, segment AB is common base of triangle ABC and triangle ADB. Given length BC is equals to 4, AD is equals to 8. Therefore, triangle ABC and triangle ADB are the triangles with equal base or same base. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equals to BC upon AD. Reason is compulsory, triangles with equal bases. Okay, if we substitute the values 4 upon 8, what we get here? 1 by 2. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB, this ratio is equals to 1 by 2. Next example, in figure, segment PS is perpendicular to segment RQ. Segment QT is perpendicular to segment PR. If RQ is equals to 6, PS is equals to 6, PR is equals to 12, then find QT. Okay. First, in triangle PQR, QT is perpendicular to PR. If we take PR as base and QT as height, then according to our formula, area of triangle PQR is equals to half into PR into QT. If we substitute values, half into 12 into QT, which is equals to 6 QT, equation number 1. Similarly, for triangle PQR, if we take QR as base and PS as height, then according to same formula, area of triangle PQR is equals to half into base, which is equals to QR into PS, which is equals to half into 6 into 6, which is equals to 18. We calculate area of triangle PQR by taking different height and different bases, but area remains same. Therefore, from equation number 1 and 2, what we get here, 6 QT is equals to 18. Therefore, QT is equals to 3. We have seen these examples based on these two conditions. Next, we move towards the basic proportionality theorem. First, we read the statement. If a line parallel to a side of a triangle intersect the remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides the sides in the same proportion. Here we see the explanation. In figure, in triangle ABC, line L is parallel to side BC and line L intersects side AB and side AC in point P and Q. Then, according to basic proportionality theorem, AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC. Keep in mind, for basic proportionality theorem, the basic condition is line L must be parallel to any one side of a triangle. Okay. Next, we see the converse of basic proportionality theorem. In figure, if line L intersects side AB and side AC of triangle ABC in points P and Q, and AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC, then line L parallel to segment BC. कॉन्व्हर्स मीन्स उलटा पार्ट आहे. जर लाईन यल इंटरसेक्ट करते ए बी आणि ए सी ला आणि रेशो जर इक्वल येत असतील ए पी अपॉन पी बी इज इक्वल्स टू ए क्यू अपॉन क्यू सी, देन काय येणार आहे, लाईन यल इज पॅरलल टू सेगमेंट बी सी. नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अँगल बायसेक्टर ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल. स्टेटमेंट बघा, द बायसेक्टर ऑफ अन अँगल ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल divides the side opposite to the angle in the ratio of remaining sides. Here in triangle ABC, segment BD is bisector of angle ABC, then AB upon BC is equals to AD upon DC. The condition required to apply the property of an angle bisector is segment BD is bisector of angle ABC. Now we will discuss the examples based on basic proportionality theorem and angle bisector theorem. First of which, in triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, if DB is equals to 5.4, AD 1.8, EC 7.2 centimeter, then find AE. In figure, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. Okay, then we can apply the basic proportionality theorem. According to basic proportionality theorem, AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. Reason is basic proportionality theorem. If we substitute the values, 1.8 upon 5.4 is equals to AE upon 7.2. AE into 5.4 is equals to 1.8 into 7.2. After calculation, we get AE is equals to 2.4 centimeter. Here we use basic proportionality theorem. Second example is, in triangle PQR, segment RS bisect angle R. If PR is equals to 15, RQ is equals to 20, PS is equals to 12, then find SQ. Solution, in triangle PRQ, segment RS bisect angle R, means we can use here angle bisector theorem. According to this, PR upon RQ is equals to PS upon SQ. Reason is angle bisector theorem. If we substitute the values, 15 upon 20 is equals to 12 upon SQ. Therefore, SQ is equals to 12 into 20 upon 15. After calculation, what we get here? SQ is equals to 16. Here we use the angle bisector theorem. Third example is, measures of some angles in the figure are given. Prove that AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC. In figure, angle APQ and angle PBC, which is equals to 60 degree. That is, both angles are equal. That is congruent. Okay. But if we observe the figure, angle APQ and angle ABC are the corresponding angles formed by line or segment PQ, segment BC on the transversal AB. Therefore, by corresponding angle test, we can say that segment PQ is parallel to segment BC. Reason is corresponding angle test. We already seen the corresponding angle test in previous standards. If the corresponding angles formed by two segment and their transversal are congruent, then these two segments are parallel to each other by corresponding angle test. Therefore, by basic proportionality theorem, AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC. Similar triangles. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, if angle A is congruent to angle D, angle B is congruent to angle E, angle F is congruent to angle C, and AB upon DE is equals to BC upon EF is equals to AC upon DF. Then triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar triangles, which is expressed as triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF.